Thanksgiving is about a week away, and while we are looking forward to a big meal with all of our friends and family, we may not be that looking forward to leftovers after the second or third day. But no worries, we have registered dietitian Susan Watson with A Little Nutrition joining us now with her best tips on reviving that turkey. But not only at Thanksgiving time, these meals look so good. I feel like we're going to want to have them, or I want to have them anyway, all year long.
Yeah, I mean, when we think about all this leftovers from Thanksgiving, we have to remember that it's not that we don't know we're going to have leftovers. So why not have a plan for it? And the nice thing about turkey is you can cook it up any time of the year and you have lots of leftovers. So what happens then is we end up getting really bored of just reheating the leftovers or making sandwiches and then we're done with it, right? But if we can come up with a whole bunch of additional recipes that we can use that cooked meat for, we can have turkey all year round essentially, right? So yeah, today I want to talk to you about how turkey, especially the leftover turkey, is a versatile and delicious protein that you can use any time of the year. And I've got lots of these recipes that are easy and convenient. However, when we think about Thanksgiving, we've got the turkey, we've served it out. The first thing we have to remember is we've got to keep it food safe. So if it's sitting on your counter, we don't want to have it there more than 2 hours. Like that's the maximum. So think about maybe 90 minutes. That's when you want to start packaging it up. And, have everybody served, then get their seconds, then go ahead and package it up and either put it right into the fridge or into the freezer. And I like to portion it out into, what I would have as a serving size. So depending on your family, and put it right into the freezer, label it. And I even like to recommend having a freezer inventory list because how often do you put all this great cooked components into your freezer and then forget about it?
Or they get buried under bags of frozen veggies or...
Yes. Yeah. And then the other thing is you want to have a plan for what's called cooked components. So we've got our cooked component, the cooked turkey, and then you want to think about all the different types of recipes that you can utilize it for, down the road. So I've got some easy and convenient recipes here. I got a lot of the recipe inspiration from thinkturkey.ca. They've got a lot of different turkey recipes that you can use. So let's start off with this one right here. So this right here is our barbecue quesadillas. And what I've done is I've put cheddar in it with barbecue sauce and made a quesadilla. So most quesadillas, just chicken, plain cheese, but you put that barbecue sauce in it and it really just kicks it up. You can cook them up and reheat them at work or even have them cold. So great workday lunch ideas.
The soup caught my eye right off the bat. I'm a huge soup person. I have had turkey soup from leftovers, but I haven't had a coconut curry turkey soup.
So I've got here a red curry and a green curry, whatever one you like, you can swap it out. And the coconut milk instead of regular cream really adds a nice flavor to it. And you can use noodles, or I like wild rice just to give it a little bit more fiber, but you can make a soup and again have that all week long. You can also freeze it too and then have it ready to go for a workday lunch. So the coconut curry is a lot different than your typical leftover turkey soup.
I feel like both of them, like with the barbecue sauce and the quesadilla, elevates it. The coconut curry elevates it. Pasta salad, I actually bugged my mom to make me pasta salad this week sometime because I love it. I've never even thought about putting turkey in there.
Yes, so this is a turkey Greek pasta salad, and it's got the calamari olives. You can put lots of different vegetables in it. So I've just got the peppers here, but you can do tomatoes and cucumbers. And then I just use a Greek seasoning. And then you could add feta, and again, package it up and have a couple days worth, and you're not getting that bored sandwich turkey feeling, right?
I love that. And then even the salad beside it, still a turkey-ish salad, but completely different.
Yeah, so, when we think about adding a protein to our salads to make sure that it's a balanced meal, why not turkey? Why not leftover turkey? You've got it packaged up in the freezer, just pop it onto your salad, and again, you got a good meal for lunch.
I love it. This is like, to me, a whole day of eating. Like you could have turkey for lunch, second lunch, dinner, snack before dinner. If folks want to learn a little bit more, get a hold of you, Susan, perhaps work with you, where do we send them?
Yeah, you can head over to our website at alittle nutrition.com.